Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. So we are working on a commercial property today in their kind of outdoor entertaining area. As you can see, we'll be doing a range of services here. So we're basically going to be pruning back some of the tree here. We'll be cleaning the gutters. We'll also be washing on the top side of this roof. So we'll be cleaning the top side of the roof out. We'll also be washing the underside of the pergola, including this bird poo. Bear in mind, bird poos, sometimes if it's been here like a long time like this has, we may not completely remove it, but it'll certainly be a 300-400% better. We're washing all of the underside of the pergola, and we'll be washing this furniture for them, all of the paving as well, these roller blinds, and then we'll be washing right through here, all this paving. We'll be cleaning up all these wooden benches for them as well, which will be really nice for people to be able to then use and sit on. And then washing right through to here, finishing off with an external window clean. So I'll show you the results at the end. So these are the finished results. This is the underside of the pergola. All the roof has been cleaned, all the wood has been cleaned. You can see how much cleaner it looks. Looks fantastic. Let me show you the bottom paving's come up really good. It's all cleaned. It was a real problem with this job around drainage. We had a lot of issues around that. So yeah, we had to wash probably about 6 times to get rid of all the water because there's no drains at all. All the outside benches have been done, been washed and cleaned, and a lot of the residual mold that's in there has come off nicely. So yeah, and then also we gave all the trees a really good prune, so you can see that here it's all clear from the gutter, and the same here again, so it's a lot of that has really come up well. So fantastic. The gutters have been cleaned on this too. So yeah, if you have an outdoor area on your commercial property that needs a freshen up, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video.